If you found the URAW option in the Pro mode on Xiaomi 17 and you are wondering what exactly it is, then let me try to explain this format. So URAW is also known as Ultra RAW, and it is a new format for RAW photos. Ultra RAW captures multiple pictures at once and processes to one to reduce the noise. The main camera captures images in a higher bit depth, RAW format up to 16-bit, and apparently it preserves more color and tonal data than a typical standard RAW format. This allows more flexibility in post-processing, so this should allow you to, for example, make some better adjustments in the case of exposure, white balance, and the overall image quality. So if you are interested how it works, how you can work with it, and that is, then of course you can give it a try and see if you can get better results in the post-processing. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.